Hello, my name is Aryan.
Myself Asif Bansode.
And my name is Tanish Shah. We have made a mini project about a unidirectional speaker which works on the principle of phase angle. In simple language, it sends the sound in a particular direction only. So I will be talking about the advantages of a unidirectional speaker. The main advantage of a unidirectional speaker is that it reduces noise pollution by not sending sound in the direction other than the phase angle of this speaker. For example, if there is a concert going on, and which usually happens in an open ground, so the buildings around these concerts won't get disturbed by the sound, because the sound which will be transmitted via speaker will only be in the particular direction where the audience is supposed to be. So because of this, there won't be any problem to have late night parties in open grounds or to cause disturbance to the neighboring people and animals or any birds in the surrounding. And one more advantage of a unidirectional speaker is that if you are listening to it in a closed environment, you won't have to use a Dolby Atmos setup, because a unidirectional speaker is so powerful that it will send the sound wave in a very enhanced and in a very crisp and clear way. So the music taste and the music enjoyment will be more fun. Thank you.
So I am going to explain the construction, setup and circuit of our unidirectional speaker. Here we have our most important component of the project, that is the Arduino UNO, which is also known as the microcontroller. We have jumper wires running from the Arduino UNO to the breadboard over here, where the rest of the connections are made. In the breadboard we have the RC filter fitted. The job of the RC filter is to smoothen the signal provided to the speaker. Then the rest of the jumper wires run from the RC filter to the amplifier. For this project we are using a PAM8403 amplifier. The job of the amplifier is to increase the sound produced by the speaker in a unidirection. The amplifier is then connected to the speaker, which produce the sound. In this project we are using 4 8-ohm speakers which are connected in a single line array. Thank you.
Hello, so I am going to explain about the code and the logic for this unidirectional speaker. The code is made basically in the C++ language and then implemented in Arduino IDE, then used to input in the Arduino UNO or microcontroller, as talked by Aryan earlier. So in this, the main formula used is for the phase increment, that is 2 into pi into the frequency of the sound used, that is 400 Hz, into the sine theta divided by the sound speed. This is the important formula which implements about how much angle it is needed from the vertical axis and the horizontal axis. So this is the main use in C++ code. But as for the logic, it uses the logic of interference of waves. This interference of waves, as in different speakers, the phase angle of the same frequency. So this phase angle interferes and then constructs into single beam of sound. Thank you.
So now we will see the working of our mini project. So as we just saw, because of the fluctuation in the sound and the angle of sound projected from the speaker, when the speaker goes sideways, there is a significant decrease in the volume that is heard by the audience.
Thank you.